There's nothing like a true snowstorm to make you feel the depths of the season. With our bouquet, The Wilds of Winter, you'll bring the beauty of the storm indoors for your recipient. My name is Andrea Ansel, and I'm the Director of Design at FTD. Today we'll be creating the standard size of The Wilds of Winter in one of our clear glass signature collection vases. With this arrangement, the design should feel very horizontal. Start by filling your container 3/4 of the way up with room temperature water. You'll begin by adding your ilex berries to frame up the sides of the arrangement. Next, insert your mini green hydrangeas close to the lip of the vase. One should be added to the front and the other to the back. Place your green trick close to the hydrangea to allow the variations in the greens to play off each other. Add your lily towards the center of the arrangement. The red in the blooms will mix beautifully with your ilex berries. Next, the holiday greenery. I prefer to use a softer green that drapes, like cedar, because it adds a gracefulness to the bouquet. Then place your leucadendron. Put them close to the hydrangea and trick. The three greens pair so nicely together. Go ahead and add in your roses. For some extra fun in this arrangement, just like the unexpectedness of a winter storm, we'll add Graspedia. Finally, add your eucalyptus. Tuck it in the places where the bouquet lacks softness, and follow suit with the Queen Anne's lace. And there you have it. Your Wilds of Winter bouquet is complete and ready to create a storm.